What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Joel here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today we're going over the 2025 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 28 VBXL. The Salem lineup this year looks incredible. Total redesign. It looks amazing. We're going to get into it. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to leave a like and a comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Now let's get right into this one. Stepping into this one, it's got an incredibly modern look. You got those tan shades, a lot different from the blackout shades, but still look incredible. And you got the big window here on the campside. Mom, Dad, you can easily look out, see what the kids are doing outside, which is great. I love the way these cabinets look. No handle in the middle here. Super simple, and they are back screwed, so you're not going to yank them off easily. You got that strip lighting up top, which looks incredible. And is pretty easy on the eyes, especially when you got the dimmer switch here. Because who doesn't want a dimmer switch? It's essential these days. Let's start off here with the couch dinette combination. You're going to see right here, looks a little confusing. This is their VersaFlex lounge. Now, while you can't easily sit two people here, this is how you make it kind of an L sofa for the entertainment center there. And I'll show you how to switch it up really easy. So this is how you're going to want to do this. First, you're going to remove these two cushions right here. You're going to take this in the middle, set it, flip it around, then insert it here in these spots. You're going to take this cushion, place it back here, and now you have a U dinette and still having a sofa here. A lot of people are probably going to opt to keep it in this for the most part, but you do have a ton of flexibility with that. Again, your U-shape dinette, which also does turn into a bed if you place it under there. So you get one bed here, and this is a jackknife sofa, which turns into another bed. If you have it like this, this is for your under 6 foot friends, probably kids. But if you flip this around again and put it here, you got a bed tall enough for your 7 foot friends. Then you put the dinette there, take that off. This whole thing can become a bed for your 12 foot friends. Obviously, those are few and far between, as we know, but always want to be prepared. You also get totes down here for storage. Great that it includes that. Most people use totes anyway when they go camping. As well as here. Now into the kitchen, you're probably wondering where the microwave is. And it's right behind here. Look how easy that opens, very soft. Keeps your microwave hidden for when you're not using it. A lot of people don't even use their microwave at all when camping. So just having it kind of out of sight, out of mind is really nice. Makes it look a lot nicer. Not as much of an eyesore. Still get the light under here, and you get a little spice rack on the side there. You got your 3-burner cooktop, oven, and your fridge. And right here is your entertainment center. Already got the bracket for the TV, which is great. You got the fireplace. You got some shelves on the side and up top for some extra storage. Now, speaking of storage back here, you have a little extra if you need it, which is great. Heading into the bathroom. Don't really want to show myself, but kind of have to here. You see that radius mirror there. Looks amazing and does light up. And you got this shower with the curved shower door. And you got this very durable plastic to keep the water out. This isn't one of those that's going to slam open and shut as hard as it can. It does move. how you want to move it. And you got the skylight, of course. Sink. You got some storage down below with the toilet. And of course the power vent fan. And you got the hot water on demand with the tankless on demand water heater from Suburban. It's going to give you those long hot showers like it says. Because you don't have the tank, it's just heating on demand. Heading back here, the star of the show, the bunkhouse. 2 flip down bunks on the side here. And this sofa can be used as a sofa or kind of a queen mattress, as you see here. Kids are absolutely going to love this. You got outlets and USBs there, and here this bunk easily flips down, as well as this one. And you got the windows on each side. See more outlets there. Really comfortable for your kids. They're gonna love having their own private room where they can close the door. And they also get some storage here and there. Now let's head to the mom and dad suite through this private door. You do get a custom king bed, 66 inches by 78 inches, but you're gonna notice not a lot of room to walk around and change. Well, good news, it is the versatile bed incliner to give you those extra inches you need. You just press this button here, and for warranty reasons, you are not supposed to be on the bed when it is moving. That's why the switch is here, but it's also great if you're just reading, watching TV. You know, it's really uncomfortable sitting against that kind of front cap where it's curved up. Now this is much comfortable, and look how much space there is. You can actually get dressed and change in here. Whole different vibe. The versatility in this camper is incredible, of course. Forgot to mention you do have the central AC, so you're going to keep cool in here. Here's your TV spot there. Shirt closet on the side. And more storage here with your little laundry hamper there, and that does go into the pass-through storage. Get shelves back here with charging spots, USB and outlet. Storage up here as well, and on that side you got those outlets and USB as well. And down here you get some more storage. This pops up. That goes through your pass-through storage, and you got these little bins here. Socks, underwear, shirts, whatever. Very convenient. Now let's take a look on the outside. On the outside, you see that revamped Salem look. You got the baby blue Salem lettering. And the rest of it is that white and gray. That looks incredible. Love that they went with the white awning arms here. It really blends in and is less of an eyesore. While this is aluminum, this is heavy-duty aluminum, not your typical stick and tin. This is very durable. And if you want to upgrade to fiberglass, the Platinum package gives you 200 watts of solar on the roof, and it gives you that fiberglass, obviously, at an extra cost. You see that same blade lighting on the awning, which looks incredible, and you got it here and over the pass-through storage. Just a really sweet look. Wish it was nighttime so I could show you, but so if you're playing cards at night or something like that, you got the table out here for whatever. Really just illuminates it, makes it easier to see. Here's your little outside kitchen. You got your mini fridge and your griddle. This is really cool. You just flip that up, take that out, and you got your griddle, seasoned cast iron, and your LP quick connect right down there. For the pass-through storage, very spacious in there. Obviously, you get access from under the bed as well. And something neat they did here is this is a dry erase surface on this side. Just a little something extra for the kids. Really shows that they're thinking of every little thing for the customers. On the front side, you got your electric tongue jack, LP tank covers, and your battery disconnect. And here's the other side of that pass-through storage. There's your little laundry hamper basket thing there, whatever you want to call it. And forgot to mention this on the inside, but this is a power gear slide out. That's what they use in motorhomes. So this thing is super durable. And you can actually sit in the slide while it's going in and out, and it's going to cause you no problems, unlike other slides where they obviously do not recommend that. And when the slide's in, you can walk on it and do whatever, sit in it, and it's not going to cause you problems as well. This stuff's heavy duty. So while you might not like the step on the inside, it's giving you that advantage. There's your tankless on-demand water heater to give you all that hot water like we talked about. And your 30 amp service on the back. Spare tire, already equipped with the Forest River tire cover, which is great. Prepped for a backup camera and a Lippert on-the-go ladder. Nice having the option to have one and not always have it on the back of your vehicle. You can just stow it in the pass-through storage very easily. Overall, this exterior revamp just looks incredible and clean, and it's already gotten lots and lots of positive reviews. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Next up, we're doing another Cruise Lite. It's going to be the 26 Ice bunkhouse, so make sure you check that one out. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future videos, and make sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think of this floor plan. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.